Royal Caribbean just announced that they are canceling a cruise going to the Western Caribbean. Before we dive in, if you're new here, I am your go-to guy for all things cruise related, from cruise news to tips and tricks. So if you want to stay up to date in the cruise world, I would hit that subscribe button and also the like button, but only if you like cruising. All right, enough of that. Let's get into the video. Royal Caribbean has announced the cancellation of the Mariner of the Seas cruise just 2 weeks before the departure. According to the statement released by Royal, the cancellation is actually due to ongoing dry dock that is taking place in Spain. This maintenance includes new paint and upgrade to the pool deck and water slides, maintenance to the propellers, and general hotel and engine maintenance work. The canceled voyage was a Western Caribbean cruise scheduled to depart from Port Canaveral, Florida, and make its way down to Costa Maya and Cozumel, Mexico, before returning to the Port Canaveral. However, the cruise line actually has given the option to guests. Either they can rebook a new cruise or they can choose to get a full refund. Now, in the letter sent to guests, Royal Caribbean stated that they are continuously working to enhance their ships and amenities that they have to offer. Now, it does suck for guests who are really looking forward to this trip, and especially 2 weeks before they're actually supposed to sail. Now, this does seem kind of strange because the maintenance seems pretty straightforward, but I mean, I'm no expert. I don't work on ships. Now, Spain actually has seen its fair share of strikes in the metal industries, which may have caused some delays for this dry dock. Now, Royal sent out this letter to its guests. We are continuously working to enhance our ships and the many amenities they have to offer. Mariner of the Seas is currently undergoing dry dock for routine maintenance and exciting, which will require some extra time for these upgrades to be completed. Regrettably, this means that our April 1st, 2023 cruise has been canceled. We know that this news is disappointing and we apologize for the impact on your cruise. Now, what are your thoughts? Were you supposed to be on this cruise? Let me know down in the comments. Now, I know that this video was short, but if you guys want to see more exciting cruise videos, I would watch this video right here. Yup, this one right here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in this video.